Hey guys, this is Fundo on Manshopagama. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday, Jason gets Nairobi permission to propose to Shira. He takes her out to dinner but abandons his plan when another man proposes. Tuesday, Nkululeko turns to the elders when it is clear to him that he has made a mistake. The ancestors want their cow back. Wednesday, an arrogant tells Vanya that she will soon meet the man of her dreams. Makosazana and Mazulu tries to warn Nairobi that she is in danger with Menzi. This day, Nokuzola shrinks when she hears that Nkululeko is doubting the efficacy of their marriage ceremony. Friday, Zithulele see Nkululeko and Nokuzola share a very intimate moment. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.